Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. The FM area is going to see another round of snow pushing its way in from the north as we speak. So visibilities are reduced, and these are big flakes out there, folks, as we take a tour around the region. Now down to the south, things were warmer. No snow on the roads at the Dakota Magic Casino. Here's a look at the I-29 corridor, and you can see the horizontal flakes flying through the lights there at Luther Family Ford in South Fargo. Now, as we take a look at Grand Forks, the snow has exited your area in the Northern Valley. We're going to keep our eyes on that right now. Let's take a look at that radar, and here is a peek at what we're seeing. Snow moving out of finally the Devil's Lake Basin, the Highway 2 corridor, starting to see things quiet down as confirmed by our Skycam network. Now, the cold air is moving in with this as well, so it's all snow moving into southeast North Dakota. So for the first time today, after rain in Lisbon, you may be seeing some snow showers pushing through, moving to the south. Doesn't look like anything at all happened today in Grand Forks or Mayville, but that is not the case. We had over 4-inch reports, even some 6- and 7-inch reports out in the Devil's Lake Basin. What's wrong? The Mayville radar, which is right about here, which is the one that provides our app right here. Anything, anywhere you go to see the radar, it's going to show up like this. And that's why we gave our friends over at the University of North Dakota a call. They have a radar, and here it is. Let's go ahead and show you the latest on that. So they're operating this while the Mayville radar is getting upgraded, but they operate this all the time. Now, here's Grand Forks. South on 29 is where the snow band is. This bright green band is the heavier band. It was very heavy as it moved through Hendrum, Halstead, and now pushing down out of Ada and into the Fargo-Moorhead area. It's just now passing into the southern part as it's losing punch a little bit. And then that's all she's going to write for tonight. As this band moves through, things will be much quieter now heading into the overnight hours. So let's take you back to a look at our Max 1 if we can. And that radar showing the snow showers, those will be pushing into southeast North Dakota for a quick dash in your area. But again, we may see a good 1/2 inch to 1 inch from that little band as it works its way through. Current conditions out at Hector, 31 degrees. It's 34 at Moorheads Airport. The sunset tonight was at 6:04. Our wind from the north at 15 miles per hour. We can see the cool air starting to migrate southward. We have teens in Langdon, 20s to the north and 30s in the south. Hour-by-hour forecast shows this band of snow exiting. The models, they've changed their mind about 14 times with this system as we went through the last couple of days, but it's going to go out with some wind. North winds gusting to 30 miles per hour into the early overnight hours. And we're going to rise and shine with some areas in northern parts of Minnesota in the single digits. The rest of us in the teens to near 20. Hit and miss flurries out of that system as we go through the day. There'll be a chance for some snow showers along the international border, mainly in our Minnesota communities, as temperatures rise elsewhere into the 20s. We will have a fair amount of afternoon cloudiness, but again, fair weather compared to recent standards. Snowfall potential, again, pretty close to what we were talking about last night. A trace to 2 inches in and around and south of Fargo. Taking a little bit farther southerly track with that 2 to 4 inches and isolated 4 to 6-inch reports today. 18 on our way up to 31 in the afternoon, increasing late day clouds and a southerly flow for your day in Fargo. With a few clouds out there in the late day, I think we stay snow free here in the FM area. Temperatures in the 20s for northwest Minnesota to near 40 in our southwestern communities down near Ellendale. Beautiful shot, Glenn, of a colorful Fargo sky as we did some melting here over the last few days, and we're going to warm things up late week. But that comes with a hit of some snow showers on Friday, and north winds into the weekend will cool us off. A Sunday snow shower on a cold day will be with us, some of you below 0 in the morning as we head through the weekend. We'll get through this system. Very slippery for your morning commute. Please tune into Lisa Green and the Valley Today crew, and they'll keep you ahead of all of the road conditions and the like first thing in the morning.
All right, thanks, Hutch.